Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So over at Walgreens, I did notice quite a few of orange stickers, which signifies clearance. And wouldn't it be nice if all this stuff went to 90? So I thought I'd make a little video with some of the stickers I found. Usually it is Tuesdays or Saturdays this stuff drops even more. When it's 90, I think a lot of us are just going to pounce and buy everything. So this little product, we have some Clorox trigger spray for $2.19. That's 50% off, still a bit too rich for this girl. We have some of these disinfectant sprays for $1.79 down to 49 cents. So if you are a newer couponer and you're trying to, stock up on various cleaning products, I don't think this is the worst price. I would absolutely use some Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay this down. If you're going to buy some clearance, we have this stainless steel cleaner. The original price was $6.49. It's down to $1.69. If you had stainless steel appliances and this is a product that you used for cleaning, I think this is a very good stock up price. So if you have a bit of free time this week, I would absolutely walk through the cleaning aisle, the toy aisle, the seasonal aisle, because there's a lot of stuff marked. Clearance is a goofy thing. It might be the same here and the same in Texas, and then it might be different between Michigan and Maine. So just keep an eye on it. We have these little trigger sprays by Snuggle and Tide. They have to drop a lot more. These are still too rich, the pricing in my little book. We have the Fabuloso for 79 cents. The original price point was $2.49. This is a smaller bottle, but if you love Fabuloso, I think it might be a really good stock up price. Use some Walgreens cash. That's what I would probably do. We have this little UV wand sanitizer. So the original price was $14.99 and it's down to $1.49. So that is some significant savings. I have one of these, but I'm not sure how they really work. I've yet to figure it out. Okay, for the super strict parent, we have a nicotine test. So the original price was $16.99. It's down to $1.69. So, I mean, if this is something you need to stock up on, it's a very good price point. And then this is something that we saw earlier in the month or in January, these secret deodorants, because I think they're not making them anymore. So it was $9.79 down to 98 cents. That is a really good stock up price. And I didn't even buy it, guys, because I have so many from last month. The Pixie Cosmetics, this is some sort of face powder. The original price point was $24 and it's down to $2.49. So that is 90% off. And this is my language that I speak. I like to get stuff at 90% off. I don't know, it's a preference, and then use your Walgreens cash, get right to 10 or 20 or whatever you want to spend. But I think it's just the smartest way to get these products when they drop this much, because even at 75, sometimes people will not buy them. Also in the makeup family, we have this L'Oreal. I think this is a newer foundation. So it was $19.99 down to $1.99, which is a really cheap price. And these were cleared. This was the last one there. And now the Listerine tabs, they were $3.29 down to 89 cents. I did check IBOTTA in case there might be a rebate. I did not see one, but still for 89 cents if this is something that you like to keep in your purse. What a great product to have. Over in the children baby aisle, $25.99 down to $19.49. If you might have a digital coupon, that would be really great. You got a box of 66 diapers for, $20. We also have some Walgreens brand shampoo and lotion, and this is 50% off at $2.99. I would like to see a bigger drop. Okay, kids' toys. The National Geographic. This is some sort of I think this was part of Christmas, and now it's finally starting to see some clearance prices. So this is $6.99 down to $3.49. Barbie, this is some sort of toaster. I don't know, toaster fun, I guess, for kids. $6.99 down to $3.49, so 50% off. Lots of the So around Christmas time, Walgreens always has some sort of promotion of buy two, get two toys for free, priced at $6.99. A lot of that stuff didn't follow Christmas clearance, but now look, everything's 50% off. So this is kind of peculiar. If you're trying to make Easter baskets and you have a very large family, this might be a time to stock up on some of these toys. We have this little selfie creator, again, priced at, I think, $6.99 down to $3.49. It looks like a fun little toy, for a teen or something like that. And we have these really cool puzzles as well. I think they were $9.99 down to $4.99. Sorry, I'm so far back. I probably shot that photo from my car. I'm so far back. But it's some sort of fun puzzle, I don't know, it looks kind of cool. We have a lot of Disney products as well. We had this little guitar, $9.99 down to $4.99. So every single toy in this one aisle where they had like the Christmas stuff that was just hanging out forever, it's 50% off now here. But again, it might be different in your region. So if you have a couple free minutes and you're looking for toys or inexpensive like birthday presents or Easter presents, you might want to go to Walgreens this week and see what the prices are. And the prices may drop Tuesdays or Saturdays as well. Now, this seems kind of fun by Sharper Image. It is a digital coin jar. So it'll say how much is in your jar as well. So it's part of Christmas, I believe. I think it was part of Christmas. $7.99 down to $3.99, so $4 of savings. You know, maybe Father's Day gift or gift for a special guy. We have this Disney Funko Pop, and I did get the cashier to scan this because sometimes I do buy little Funko Pops. So this was $10.99 down to $7.69, and it was still $7.69. So I don't know. On Saturday, I would love to see that drop to $1.99 for me. If you are a fan of Harry Potter, all of the Harry Potter stuff is now 50% off, which was really weird because it was like I remember asking a bunch of cashiers, like, could you price scan this for me? And everything was like $24.99. And I'm like, that's going to stay in the store. But this was one of these like 12 days of Christmas, and they're all Harry Potter themed socks. So if you like that, you know, that's total, like for $12, use $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $2.49, and you'll have Harry Potter socks for the rest of the year. They also had a little box for like a fake wand. They had like so much stuff. They had this little journal with a Harry Potter pen, like super cute stuff. This was $12.49 and it was down to $7.79. So that's also weird pricing too, because wouldn't it be $6 and some change at 50? So who knows? They had the little Harry Potter slippers as well. Just everything and anything Harry Potter, and like all of it was in the store, because who would buy it, you know, still at full price? You'd want to at least get it at 50. So if you're a collector or love the Harry Potter series, this might be an opportunity to stock up, or if you have a friend that really loves Harry Potter. And then lots of these dashing, and then also the Sharper Image, as I showed you earlier, also reduced down considerably. So if you wanted to stock up, you know, for dad, grandfather, just like little gifts, little extra this and that, this was $12.99 down to $7.79. I think that sooner or later, like the toys, the cleaning, it'll hit 90 and then it'll get cleared very, very quickly. If I were you, I would take a walk down these aisles, see what they might have, and then just either go on a Tuesday or a Saturday, ask a cashier really nicely, like, when is this stuff going to go on more clearance? They might have an idea for you. And this is stuff that we have to really keep on the back burner, because when it does hit 90, it's going to go really fast, especially the cleaner. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.